The Parrot ANAFI was released yesterday for consumers in America, and the UPS guy just dropped mine off. I'm gonna do unboxing. I have to use one hand, so it's gonna be a little bit janky, but here we go. Alright, let's see what we got. I ordered mine directly from Parrot. I know currently Amazon is sold out. Here we go. I got my little helper here. Lift it up.
Okay.
Oh, be careful, be careful.
Okay.
I had a paw. Alright, here we got the Parrot ANAFI. I had the app for a couple of days, Free Flight 6.
Is the app ever?
Yes. I noticed in the app that Follow Me mode and Flight Planner is in-app purchases, and they will set you back $17.99 each. Parrot, you could do a little bit better there.
It's really parrot.
Yeah, my baby think it's a parrot. Alright, this is the sky controller. 3. It's fairly heavy. Let me put that aside. And that's my baby putting up already. This is extra propellers. Let's put that down. Wait, baby. Let's see what else we got. This I know is the Parrot. User manual.
It's all fun and really nice. Oh, it's really nice. It's
That's it.
It's a kitty.
Alright.
Oh, you're a parrot.
Let's try to open this.
Yes, parrot.
Alright. Well, this is the main event. The Parrot ANAFI. Like I said, unfortunately, Parrot have 2 in-app purchases. Follow Me mode and Flight Planner. Both gonna be $17.99. I will try to fly it later today. We have about 2 inches expected rain here in South Louisiana, but I will try.